Hi everybody, this is Suzanne Hiron from Memmi Papyrus. Well, one of the most happy occasions we want to celebrate is the birth of a baby. So this week I want to show you how to make a pretty little baby card. Let's get started. Today I wanted to make a baby card. So I've done one in pink for a little girl and wanted to do one with you in blue for a boy. So let's get started. I've got my layers already here. We have the base that is in balmy blue. This measures 4¼ by 11 and it is scored at 5½ to have our regular size base. I have this layer that is 5¼ by 4. My third layer I ran in the embossing machine with the tufted embossing folder. And what I want to do is attach a little bit of this cute little polka dot ribbon to the bottom of the card. So I don't want my glue to show through, so what I'm going to do is just put it on the back here. Put the ribbon across and secure it again on the back with some snail adhesive. So let's get stamping now. I've got the bigger elephant from the Little Elephant stamp set in balmy blue. So I'm going to stamp him on here. Whisper Wait. And with the Elephant Builder Punch, I am going to just punch him out right here. So here's my elephant, and I'm going to come back with the same elephant, and I'm going to just punch out his little ear with the same Elephant Builder Punch. Let's see this little ear right here. Just got that little piece. And we'll get a mini dimensional to actually stick it on to the body for a little bit of dimension here. There's our little guy. All right, so let's place him on this flower. I punched out the scallop that is 2 3/8, and my circle is a 2-inch circle, so you can see the little petals around it. And I'm going to adhere my elephant with some dimensionals as well. And I'm going to place him to the bottom so that we can attach a ribbon bow, and some little balloons. So we'll just stick him on here with more dimensionals. Next, I am going to stamp, where's my piece of paper that I punched out? Oh, there it is. So I'm going to use some of that scrap paper here. No need to waste it. And I'm going to stamp the balloons. And while that dries, I'm going to bring in my Instant Bow Maker and create a bow with this lovely tulle ribbon. It takes only a few seconds and you get the perfect bow every time. Just cut the little tails. So this is now dry. I'll take my snips and just fussy cut the balloons. When I fussy cut, I like to move the paper more than the scissors. It allows me to just follow the image a little better. It's not perfect, but there we go. Now bring back my card. I'm ready to stick this on. Give it a nice press. Use another dimensional for my balloons. And I'm going to pop them up a little higher so that my bow doesn't hide the elephant. Just move the tails around a bit. Grab a little glue dot, apply to my bow, and I'll position my little bow right here on top of the elephant's head. So that's done. All we need to do now is the greeting. So I've got a congratulations here that I took from the Sending You Thoughts stamp set. Again in balmy blue. So these are perfectly sized to use up that scrap paper when you cut your layers. You always have a little 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch left over, and these greetings fit perfectly. So you don't have to waste any paper. I'm just going to snip it off a bit and run it through my triple banner punch because I want a little bit of a banner edge to it. Center it as best I can and punch. So there you go, little flag to it. Again with the dimensionals. Since it's white, for contrast, I want to line it up with the white layer here at the top of my card. Now to the inside. So this stamp set has another little elephant, a baby elephant, which is quite appropriate for this card. So we'll do the baby elephant on the bottom left side. And we'll give him lots of little hearts because everybody loves a newborn. There we go. And I pulled out an old wood block that is just the cutest little saying for a baby card. It says, "It's the little things that matter most. Congratulations on your new little miracle." There you have it. All that's left to do now is adhere the inside to the base of your card. Always wait till it's stamped before you adhere it to the card. That way, if you mess up, you just turn it around and do it over again. That is my card this week. I hope you enjoyed it. Have fun and congrats on that new baby.